So, you guys thought it'd be cool the doorbell ditch us, Savannah and Kate? Well, this is what happens when you mess with us.
We're here. We're doorbell ditching the parks. Ha! They're going down. There's Grant. We have visual of Grant. He's going up. Oh, here he goes. Sparks' house. He's going in. He's going in for the kill. He's going in. Oh, he goes nothing, dude. There's Kate. There's Kate. Oh, here they go. Oh, crap. They're coming for me. Oh. I better turn it off.
Okay, so we doorbell ditched you guys. Now we got that far. But then after that, you guys cut on.
We just were caught by the parks. They chased us. It came out. It was so legit. We freaking fucked you.
So, yeah, so we thought we got away with it, and we got you, and you guys came out, but things kind of took a turn for the bad, and came right back around and got us. Yep.
They have no idea. I'm right here. There they are. They're walking away. Oh my gosh. Oh, way too close. Way too close. They're right there. They're right there. They're walking up.
Not true. Not true. They're here somewhere.
I'm filming.
So, as you can see, things didn't work out for us. So, if you're gonna go doorbell ditching, make sure you have a plan.